John Dramani Mahama na muntu bi a wotutu no nansen no ema MPP eni nipa binom gidi a wo wo sa se papa ne pese wotena konya no so eboro 4 years no ase eya bem omunu se mampani John Dramani Mahama ase sansam no motete ye koye yesi no ase eya ye no krese papa ne nya ya next elections 2028 elections no obesa so agina biu na Ghana fo ato no so abawa bra etia emra omufi se na no ada beto dwa se President John Dramani Mahama appointed 7 judges so monko ye adwuma ewo Supreme Court se yeji omo etumu a no mufi se asema mo kan no abam enra press engagement ekoso media engagement ekoso efa demonstration MPP ne amanyukwa hodo no bi no peso mo yedi tia Chief Justice a Mamperi John Dramani Mahama a suspended no na Honorable Alexander Afenyoma nsem.
It's not about our party or parties. It's about protecting the institutional integrity of our republic. It's about drawing a line in defense of the Constitution. And it's about telling those in power, you may have your turn, but you do not own the state. Okay. The framers of our Constitution understood that democracy without an independent judiciary is no democracy at all. That is why we are gathering on Monday, 5th of May, to say enough is enough. To say that the people of Ghana will not sit idly by while their courts are captured. To say that the power may change hands, but the Constitution must always stand. And to the people of Ghana, our fellow countrymen and women, we invite you to join us. This is not just about the few political parties determining to go on the streets. Of course, we are going on a peaceful demonstration. This is not Parliament's fight. It is a fight for every citizen who wants to live in a country where the law is supreme and no man, no matter how powerful. It is obvious that the bold attempt by Mr. President to nominate out of the blue 7 judges to the Supreme Court is the first major attempt at all that they have rehearsed, a 3rd term agenda. All that the NDC is doing, all that our president is doing through the advice of the hawks of NDC is to set a 3rd term agenda for his.
And we Honorable Alexander Afenyoma woye MP for a Futu constituency as I saw a minority leader. And I can say a dom kuma MPP dom no a woman as we film no na yekendi for edi womo enim na asama wokan ya grace the better so amamia Justices Makomako and son President John Dramani Mahama abomudin se sieje omutumu a omunko ye adwuma e Ghana ye Supreme Court na busianfo ma yemfa entodwa emamo ye number 1 Justice Dennis Dominic Ejay. Number 1 Justice Dennis Dominic Ejay. Number 2 Justice first name ni mean to me mo si Simon Subari ana Subere ana nyina no observe mo fa jani o e kan say asante e kan say Simon BL Simon Subere Subere second one no
Gibiel Simon
Subare okay and number 3 Justice Senyor Jamefe. Justice Senyor Jamefe. And number 4 Justice Kwaku Tewia Akabuafo. Justice Kwaku Tewia Akabuafo. Okay. And number 5 Justice Philip Bright Mensah. Justice Philip Bright in the and number 6 Justice Janapari Battles Kojo. Justice Janapari Battles Kojo. And number 7 Justice Hafisata Amaliboba. Justice Hafisata Amaliboba. Okay, on number 70. Asante, sa Justices Makoma Konsun President John Dramani Mahama Abomudin se omo enkoye adwuma ewo eye Supreme Court no. Se okeka ni nyina bomu a Justices omo Supreme Court omo ye adwuma ye 20 omo din ye. Her Lordship Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Tokunu Onyankoe odaso suspended odaso Supreme Court honomom. Justice His Lordship Justice Paul Boafo Bafo Boni.
Acting.
Justice Paul Bafo Boni. Justice Paul Bafo Boni, Acting Chief Justice. His Lordship Justice Gabriel Paul Mine. His Lordship Justice Lovelace Johnson. His Lordship Her Lordship Mumono Her Lordship Lovelace Johnson. And His Lordship Justice Isifu Omaru Tanko Amadu. Okay, no. Her Ladyship Justice Professor Henrietta Joy Abena Nyako Mensa Bonsu. And His Lordship Justice Emmanuel Yoni Kolendi. Ono His Lordship Justice Samuel Kwame Adibuasiedu. Ono so and His Lordship Justice George Kingsley Comson. Ono so His Lordship Justice Ernest Yaw Gau. Ono so His Lordship Justice Henry A. Kofi. Ono so His Lordship Justice Yaw Dakwasare. Ono so His Lordship Justice Richard J. Frimpong. Okay, no. So no crowd you was. Yes. Richard J. Ono ne o Canada bi de me boa.
Debbie.
Ananyo we ya.
Ono there Debbie.
Okay.
Ono there no. Omo twisen saying.
Okay.
With the hope say nka parliament be ja tum.
Okay.
Omo twisen saying no omo ko bae no.
Omo anye.
You see no wasako Canada.
Back okay.
You see one day they nim do myself ni bi.
Okay. And His Lordship Justice Senior Jemefe Ayeboni then His Lordship Justice Dennis J. His 7 by His Lordship Subere, His Lordship Philip Bright Mensa, His Lordship Jampare Battels, His Ladyship Hafisa to Amele Boba, and His Lordship Kweku Tewia Akabwa. Funte say Oko Supreme Court or judges Makuma 20. Say I know say odd number and I remember say. And say be Araba Esaba Tokunu beko Ntebeka 19. Say you are suspended no.
Okay.
She's in the process of exiting. And she say ofri mu a eba beka 19.
Example for say obian be wonu nyanwu isu a.
Mo ye Freddy Dwamfunu no correct.
And but ya we me dey me no. Your constitution e problem won hu no. The mama omampe mama yi. Who for tunu a yaw. Who ntimi ga say odifo. Omo opposition mo ka say omo ba Supreme Court no. Ni members na dorso. By the way nipa na abo omo godi dwuma son ma o man no. And I say was abo mu di wuntimi for tunu say we book constitution bia so. Say your principles are omo digital so a ba ko no man nyo man tum no. Say that so but oman fanya adwuma omo abo atogu into you made the make say your constitution no any major problem the call for being given the Supreme Court a ceiling say yemfa nipa 17 and 17 15 and 15 ni ehun say your Supreme Court a 15 and we na ya bone ya enche dido na be call retirement I say e bi obe say 6 months.
It was 6 months. It be some few months. Asante say what observing and saying I say Sidina gain strength kakra.
Sidina.
Sidina hoden kakra bema say dollar ni yesi ne number 14 cedis so say dey
1425 as
1425 ebi so say
enye dey na say won say o google ya na beto ni bia we dey ba ku ni bia
we dey enye google dey ni bia
google
amafo bi dey kon say ona ase ebe create panic akra ho system no but ase cedi no ehwo ye de ma dollar na tete ba form and am so kra ma so observe ya say be 2-3 weeks or say 4 weeks ni filling stations no ho na petrol no a drop it kakra ne ade a amanfo penchiremu wo ho se eye die NSC a asa ma yesidi no enya ahoden na obeka last week nyina ne yina IMF meetings koso America nom ne ade nhihye a wo mo ede amaye me enko o ma no so me ho se honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah MP for Okaikwe Central akasa ede afa eye saade no ho ye pese ye te ase ye de asia ema ye hu saade ne na IMF meetings a koso America no na owo ho no mu bi ti yenyinkiremu kakra ho honorable good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, but I want to say.
Me ba che radio do me ho ye na so
Nyankopɔn da roma me ya me che etie fo nyina ne adofo asanteman bibia o tie wa no pay.
Yo. Abusia for angel so. Yo. Now honorable mo yen starting fan free mo kosia IMF wo America no. Meeting no e ko se ne na mo pe no.
Yo, me that say IMF more 2 major meetings every year. Spring and the fall meetings. April meetings. Then they are in October. Usually Ghana, Minister of Finance, Governor of the Central Bank, they entirely the government delegation. Number 2, Ghana, you were under an IMF program. At every point in time, the delegation by every review their performance. And then now here end 2024, Ghana economy, my report to say it grew by 5.7% as against 8.9% that normal project, And now I'm also that you say your debt to GDP ratio is also reduced from over 70-something% to about 61.8%. Under the program, there quarterly reviews. Opa say Tesla on my set amount, they release Canada amount. Yeah, with a balance of payment and reserves. So as you can also a my CD also sound because there's a lot of dollars that are pumped into the system. Yeah, there. A banking sector near my baby. Into this year IMF meeting, honorable to forcing on the governor of the bank, Dr. Siama, they were all there almost a common meetings, Asia and 24 also Mushia there. And I believe that all in all, the meetings went well, but there are a few issues that Mr. Me observing on the sidelines and Mrs. Midi Unkomo. One, Abia Agua, and the advocate say, I was about an African continental free trade. It's been a U.S. government negotiating for extension of the Agua program. So, Bekaya, Agua, African Growth and Opportunities Act. Boamah, Uncle Juma, Africa, and Sub-Saharan Africa. It's me, Eddie, and Yamako America. Equator under duty-free access program. Government, U.S. government has signed for about 1,800 products from Sub-Saharan Africa and another 5,000 under the Generalized Preference Program. And on Abua, Ghana, Ethiopia, South Africa, and Mauritius, Kenya, major economies in Africa are benefiting from Agua. Osha Agua no Ghana, the US, increase it to about 2.76 billion even though Agua's contribution was about 26%. That's at 2022. Mema or not posted that postal. Oko Kenya say Kenya textile industry, grow to about $680 million from $55 million. South Africa, cars are more exported to America, and those grow from about 600 units to about 14,000 units. I make my examples with Mauritius, but China trade with Africa, it also increased by 87%, but all were based on metals, oils, and fuels. Into that, may advocating for an extension of the Agua. So, companies say unity trading near the apparel free zones. Me sustaining jobs na revenue to about by national city no so kinana ya twaso. What man say?
Matthias,
it's a very important program. Also sub-Saharan Africa through the after headquarters of Ghana and Accra. You didn't come up. Now yes, I'm pushing for the inclusion of North African countries into the Agua program.
Okay.
And now oceans also Agua and yet countries beyond over to me are exported because more university eligibility criteria on human rights record, political pluralism, democratic rules, the idea one woman with this. Until I had Ruby to say Mali, almost suspended on Ethiopia. Ethiopia was doing very well. OSHA investment into the apparel sector in Ethiopia and attracted over 66 companies with an investment of about $700 million, which is very impressive. They were able to create over 90,000 direct jobs. And they are still doing well. All in all, the American said, with trade and exporter, a Boamah currency in the now, a question about Ghana City.
Now, honorable Ansani Ebeko Ghana City, no, all this are suggestion we made the finance minister ne abino or muso say what was their response to or suggestion about Aguane?
They know. And I buying the opposition MP.
No, correct.
All I can do is to advocate for the good of the people of Ghana.
Yes.
Ghana for ye Mesikaka or Mainima, Emadimaba, Mesika Bank of Obotum, Emadida Soba Bushi, and many other. Until I make a once.
Okay.
Because the Agua may I explain there by 2025, the job losses whereby the amount never born man. I don't think I must start born with
yes, the deadline here by the ending of 2025.
That is so.
Okay. Aveyamra yesi de noe. Ya unza ze wohndi bia bemu ti ya se dollar no etete amanfo se because of good governance name policies ni ade chese sana ebasa ye nyina ya dwene ebeye yen sa de tie
you me da say me Ghana ni so ye see di na won de bemu a enyunya bra me no nyina ne Ghana fo nyina Boamah the for business people omo Kumasi Ghana man asante obi ani di no obi ani wo ye ma mbapa obere say anana ni beji see di no aye basa say Boamah in plan there's no predictability. See who says the Nigerian and also Boa JD Koso and all other friends or multiply effect. Let me put it that way. Now the Boamah seed, I stable kakan and saying here one over here US made China tariff war no. We are see and global trade very unpredictable. Containers are stockpiling of ports. There was some trade realignment. I'm a boy, emerging economies. Among big currencies, no, I appreciate here. Ghana, any home for so, Ghana see the appreciated by close to about 6.82% as of April. Good. Number one, contributory factor. Number two, government for the past 6 months, contractors, service providers, they bring because you over 18 billion cedis of arrears are buying for the Sankai. And the question I will put on is, yes, that is before import to Amuniama and Kraniama, also better dollar, it brings a tolling effect on the currency. So over 18 billion of unpaid arrears. Who started here? Ideas use and so on at the Bebro City, second contributory factor. And government through the IMF is also pumping close to over $1 billion into the economy. People can say, I know a IMF, a World Bank IMF program labor, labor. Well, after reviews, they push over 300 million plus. Ocean government is a balance of payments, go lines of arrears, interventions. Those are the issues I'm talking about. It will yield about $1 billion. It was an matter for discussion at the IMF meeting. I wasn't there, but in that particular meeting. But I have some inside information that it was discussed. And the government must be honest with us and let us know some of these issues. And those are the three factors that one, U.S.-China trade tensions are out of that. Babwa, emerging economies, currencies. Two, government's unpaid arrears to contractors and service providers. Number three, the inflows from the IMF into the Ghanaian economy and Nabwa with the stabilization. Ebwa, see the need now. They made a $1 million more with the Juma. Ghana, Navy,
Yate Nkomo Bisosoa, the governor of Bank of Ghana, Dr. Johnson Esiama Ekokudi, yes, and she said, Bia, MPP abanye twa mu ede baaye say gold mo say mo de be back yi sidi no eno so aboa ama yesidi no so ho ayedene ema with these factors here wo ka ho asemi ama eno so ka ho bi na saa de no ekoso nti amanfo busa se na ne enim se saa ne ma we bi e betimi aye na ya anye ne dedaada yi
yo but that's it. Sure. Gold is a very important commodity. We are finding mining our central banks. Almost used to almost reserve gold no a boy with currency stabilization because gold prices so can be a constant and say and I drop by about 2% thereabout in April. It's a very good program of buying shares here. To be a governor, I can say the reserves now has increased to about 31 tons or something like that. And the policy, what Transfer will say a bois, all the better because all the countries, either like China for bar, Ebeto gold, Omoto mines for Ghana, investing in mining companies. It means there is some wisdom in it. Americans, they mine gold. Canadians, Australians, they are investing in gold. Some in Ghana, in South Africa, and other jurisdictions, the Democratic Republic of Congo, there, Guinea, Siguri, mine in Anglo Gold Crown, mine so in the gold sector now, everybody is pushing in money there because it's a very good source of revenue and currency stabilization for many economies. It's a good area abiding the mission of that's Obwa Emma. You did the right incentive regimes and programs and policies to Abwa Amaya economy apija.
Honorable Afe Mamemfa Umra o party NPP mo kakra. Say mo ye thank you to. Say mo ye thank you to.
The CDD global issues bigger and I want to see a party.
Where the kakra bi why? Enra nyumra na mo thank you to na mo de share no. Ashanti region mo de be ye 3 days e be we say atisa no pay mo to aso e wo Bono East region techimani ade honorable nipa binum fi say enema bi a ACCA mo ko Bono abronye honorable Kennedy Japan ba Kumase young boy or work university a obi won ne sekan nyame adom ne ho ye asat enra nwumra ye ko ho no na ne ho ye pa binum fi say thank you to mu ntwa so na on we de be free emu aba na emwa party no enye papa emwa party no thank you to no honorable hu ne say
you me that say nearby thank you to no the bad press and as Nema said na party ne expect you is very unfortunate na sibia omasha ase no the Judicial say omutimi na yetimi be review of the thank you talk because you could do infin uchaswa the problem one to also so the problem because one party in my money program national party and national council and also say yes a human institution you have started thank you to nobody anticipated since animal winning ABC but a chopper and they said they are kind of Casapani Abutre near Abudua a bit in the area or Ken so person want to in there might be about to also or withdraw from the thank you to one can change with that party but on one says here so only around that it will help with the smooth program. You really about party headquarters and our council meeting. All those issues you feel say I'm one who will discuss it. So there a be inform our next line of action as a party. You go through a very turbulent election. Defeat Ghana for the man, meaning is it will be any sort of now so we have a party to build, an image to rebuild, an election to win in 2028. But it will come with, number one, hard work, loyalty, commitment, and internal discipline. It could be a discipline in you interview from winning election, and I interview from building company. Sabe, Sompa, and now any media institution in Ghana, more internal rules are they as in discipline about. My client called to the party rank and file and said, it could be an argument, could be an said discipline at them. I remember said, oh yeah, why, and number two, the advocacy is said, we must focus on building the structures of the party. Party structures will have the values of the party imbibed. So the Tiano, Ubiani, a cuckoo position, Kasiamano, continue maybe I say, the Kasakra does not reflect the image and values of the party. But you see, or you see, the Jumabi action. We're going to acquire near Matruka, Napoli area, electoral area, constituency, now affected. In our selection and our rebuilding process, we must look for dedicated, loyal, and committed people. Sabi, Omudi Yaw Boamah nipa, near Shisha party ni. And no one American one cell. Depending on their maybe this will be a major. Also, we near my attachments so must be tabled before the National Executive and National Council for discussion and redress. Then we can draw a very important program towards the rebuilding of the party. Make this the elected flag bearer and sana yaisi. The foundation is me a week. Now call elected flag bearer. You'll be putting a flag bearer on a weaker foundation. It will not work. The expansion of the polling area, let's look into it. How numbers then being here or what must go into the selection or election of the polling station people to work there. Those are the factors we must be looking at.
Ebisa monko early congress so se be ya attention be ba form.
It's very unnecessary because so could you flag bearer after the Eba party no. A diamond is here foundation so I roofing. What was it? We shouldn't be quick. We should look at what is very important now to build the structures, very solid ones as such. Be innovative in the process of rebuilding, and also let Ghanaians know say Yeni Abre Sebe Achia Nemuye. That's it.
Na amanfo say honorable Kennedy Japan kra ne kan asem no say nipa bia o ma suspend wo mo free party nim montwe wo nyina emfa wo mo emra fi se mu hia dom. Okay.
Because they say young grant general amnesty. And the party granted that's any kind of oba na ye follow. And a small committee, na nipa ni tini be kan the boss asem. Say anything, and I'm any new Kilmati atra and I'm a free cool man. The party there obia important. We knew obia so what in Nigeria. So the nipa no di tu say aha me enfo so kakra. Aha say so mostly enfo so ni di tu we come to a common ground. In the entire positions, they are there, they are here. Obia Opese Oba Black. Let's open the door. Let's welcome the person. Let's have committees or groups to meet them at the regional levels and at the constituency level. You need come on because any Bema party no why are Konobian.
Okay.
I'm a bit to be now conference every day 18 campaign to Abama me and Nipa no where the Obedia too.
Yeah. Honorable no pay de yeda se no adagye a wanya ediama bibia ni so ebesa so abopunu mu.
Me da say ya nyaminsha. God bless you.
Yo. Ebusan for nti we Honorable Patrick Yaw Boamah na yene no akwakodi enkomo no MP Okan Kwe Central na asante nti ye started the free economy no. Ni cedi no ne dollar no and ye de ebebe wie on the party MPP senti minka wa bra the ACA o mfana no ntumu bie ono so ye a big stakeholder pa of the party what parliament for say 12 wako say 12 oh 3 terms senti oye big stakeholder
Yaw Boamah egu ahodo
Yaw Boamah mugu ahodo eji Yaw Boamah e de obosi kai
o de me pacho me de
e de Yaw Boamah e de o fufuo
onse
Yaw Boamah o de
go ba kwa Yaw Boamah de mugu ahodo Yaw Boamah bi o yekua ni kama ahodo Yaw Boamah bi a tana say ko ba ku bi kwato mo na okay
misra o Yaw Boamah bi ato mo na misra wasate
ba ku bi su kra abo na yere
David
onse me ga Yaw Boamah gu ahodo
Yaw Boamah Yaw for de by nature ye ni
omojo
ye jo ye need the no so what baby okeka me na me kuta mic no na me
pa na mana kasa
who say Yaw for by nature no ho ye no ye krokro ma ye need ma sem
man de omosi be ma krokro ma yen for
ye Yaw for
omosi kwaku
debi what say
kwaku for
aputo kwaku bonsam
yen kwaku for na
kwaku de ye bo kwaku din abonsam woni nko an ye de bata me papa
kwaku for so udi di atem kra ma na asan bepa chew yes mo bo say ya onim papa ni ba ko kasa Ghana
na bi wo mo kwaku for ma say
yes mo bo say man di atem kra na say
ma bo mo
ye mu ye
kwaku for e ma bo mo
ye mo bo
obi odi kwaku bia ma bo no
je say romantic am na bro so kuku anim romantic uru na kwaku for e chere kwaku ya we di tie say sa a member of parliament o kasa on say okuta mampanyin kufo
esuni bi yes
kasa o ma akoma etoye di say we shall save the economy no
yes
dollar no sa na ma na abafo ya senka ade anka sidi no ho
enyo no kra na etwe madwene sisu ya na menim se agwa no this year na ndi o
say alancha matin
yes alancha matin time bampani kufo time no mo edisa nti o say
na say come say kufo kra san by kra me fini di mpo kra say after bi
any African continental free trade o said the end
and no agwa there goes beyond Africa.
Yes, it goes beyond Africa.
Engineer be say shemu kena na boy na yawe said Adeakye is almost a world market.
Yes,
crude no 64 Brent crude $64 per barrel
ankre bako
and na almost US WTI there no American fund there almost say $54 per barrel.
Okay.
Say Adeakye anka refineries ni yadwuma Ghana ha anka da no fuel no nka ya ntom no 40 cedis.
Oh yes.
Na sabe amamu bone ni empanimfo ne mamu fa nwu
anopay kra no mate se petrol so bete anopay this morning o check filling stations na be brain album say
ya ni nyan say Adeakye anka ye refining crude o ye mamu ha anka ya ntom no beyond 40 cedis.
Ndeze kra o co filling stations le bi ton no 12 cedis per liter. E bi ton no 13 cedis per liter. E bi ton no ne wasro kra ye 14 cedis per liter.
Ena ye kofa light crude no mo chemu so mo kofa ba o kofa the Brent crude ye ken no mo dey akoma kombre outside Ghana akọ refining na what they are brain tema o refinery say aye no ho enye it's no longer refining I say I check tanks I events fuel bank na mo da begu ho no
mo kono petrol ria na mo dey aba begu o mo tanks nim na
e dia na esi ho ma ye bresi nti Adeakye
we ko dey bi no mo ye no akosi say enu kwa dey say anu a be ankre be tu bi
o ebro mpacho ebro sa na say ye bi ka and tomorrow refinery kwa ye pegem nka eboa ye mai ho toye
sa ban fi say area honom no ye ebia eyi kakra obetima invite private sector
and na ko won fa ne no ano Emma private ne nanka yen no yen ko fa crude no ne emfa me supply
mo Ghanaian businessmen bebrebe e wo ho no be o mo ye interested in this e bia chechire mo chiro mo seke this is an area mo betimi akwa mo make millions
ye de be mama noa ye de be mama noa aban ko betimi aye be bi se hedging ye timi hedge say bia ebo eba for me o mo jam ye be $60 per barrel for the whole year na wo ko fa ba na nkranko na no wo no mu wi a o mo mfa mi ko mo chire mo say ansa na be no awie no ya say always 50 barrels per crude events crude na gallons
yeah
Adia mafu betima refine nya be say 2000 Ghana be refine na swati go enema be family amonfo enema me deal se koso ntino yenya but crude ya refine ya nke benya kerosene petrol diesel bitumen say bitumen Ghana for ko fa be Cote d'Ivoire
total ye de kan kwa so na ye petrol ya
tikana asem a wo de wo se be odwun a wo nti ase enti say Adeakye ye ni prepa dia ma ye dala ne ko siri ne ko suru nyina ehon de ba so no say dollar no international market no crude no ekofom na ekofom nyina no na sika de nka amount of dollar de ba kofa crude no esoti na nka na dollar no sidi nso ageni strem ene ye major issue ena ye gold no so no they say asese sami jamfi mu niam na ompo so mo ye no so mo tire mo ho pa ye ni ye a ebe boa because the more na war reserves gold reserves no e ma oxide no appreciate.
Yeah.
These are some of the fundamentals here Yamanabua.
And ade ba ko kan ho asem ye US China trade tension na e koso no.
Ghana beneficiary.
Yes, ama o say emerging economies ni nyina benefit from saade no because China businesses be brew honoma on European countries no ena eye bakane no ne US na yes ane no nti eba saa na ama dollar no ho aba bed nti say no on European countries no na eye nti ama euro no so eho eye dene ba yes unse pound no so eho aye den pa ena euro no so ho aye dene ba dollar no ena tete ba form sa so nti eno so akwakobo nti nka yempa ne say akwado na Trump no ntonko so a no ne China nko so hu nemwa na dollar ne ntete ma because ye dwode nyina akoye dollar even obi nano asema na wo kan say Ghana ni free Ghana ko China akwa kodidwa ne enim say Chinese for did say rubio say yan no eno ode kwa akoto ade nti no nsese sika ne nko yan mu ba chenchenchire obesesa de akọ dollar mu okoduru China wasa asesa e de akọ the Chinese currency mu
meanwhile Ghana for them e krefra brochinya China won be 80%.
Oh bebre
nti ene na oman no a ne sidi no ne currency no wo from be boy
ekura last stop ye ko free China ba ye de chi ekura
na no ko me dem tie ekura say winim ye ayi mo fa salad ayi no fa salad ye ma yitwa gu aduane su
salad ngura no
ye ka free Togo
ngura
no kre
asante ye ko fa ngura free China free Togo
salad ne fence onion jene na green no
green na ye green no
omo fa free
your friends
omo fa free
was it your friend is spring onions
omo fa free omo fa free ayo Togo
omo free there
omo fa free Togo because Ghana they
say asante jene nkitinkiti na
green bishes asante de ande ande na wo wempo ne nyem na asante jene no enu nyina ma se sefa no bo no kosoro omo krawo abrans ase wo Ghana ai betimi aye bi no
yakra
ma se no me se o meni mane di nkomo omo se salad ya awie
engura
eye Ghana yentimi enwe engura no mi di wa habi
na se na ma me bi dua bi wo Mekrin hotel
esa yawe no yentimi mfi ena no se one man de se na edie no omo se nyama omo Togo so no boya di nsem bebrebe se Togo ha ena ayi awie salad awie no
kanina urura manfo fie a efie no garden bi a waye kakra no wadua ntos wadua meko wadua ejene salad ne ho anwani wadua
bi feed yourself a champion de ba so
no chemical eno ne more like mo say friend say organic use there ne sana mo friend
akosi Togo no say the wadua salad man say yanyu organ abra e won say papa say be chen Togo nti je ne ye wa ha we nti say ma sefa no so
epeja kosoro ade ye disika ne kofa ngura ba
kofa ngura ba wi wura
hey yi Ghana
yes mo bo say
na seze no kote ne
ona say akra na say akra
kehuro no
eno so kan we ma kote no
ye madie ne
respect to Reverend Why
guzi bafo wose kote ne ye madie ni kehuro na woman no wan de ne kehuro na den dodo
madam fo no
ya damfo no
na de na kehuro no de na ya na ebi de ati na bi emrese
busai na se kehuro ni se o mo se emfanya mpapa ya gazi enwe na eno so defo enti ni ototo nkwa mu a ye se da wonum so otimi di fufuo ayu abemienu sa o wia o ucha fufuo no fa ho zanti ayu adase mienu o di bedi awie
ba ya yem kan arahu say ye kra salad pa futugo die
it's true
salad ye dua no Ghana fo ebenya adwuma aye ama nyam sike de ko frasifa no akokra ba na so beti ese Ghana fo na akokra na mafutugo no on say ye ntade ani in particular
pa Togo ntade Togo mpaboe
eso
Togo
salad ye be kan on side ye
salad de we di omunya
we di omunya fo no omunye nhwemu enimanimu ya because na inso ntete ye no
ye encourage backyard gardens
irrigation farms na ye kan tim na bia ba be kan say ya say
asante irrigation farming ne de say e be kan say de sikafo de but asante ode your friend say jende ode ntos okra de ntos na ode aye aduane ofie na wokoto na bana to ogu no Tugu
Uganda.
Oh yes, fifi.
GMO dia no.
Da bi wo dia untoso no ene umeko na.
GMO dia no dia fifi.
Wo dia ye waduane awie na wo kwa kotugu Uganda. Na de cry fio ya totas. Meboa.
And if you be bia totas. Be bia nka be je crab na nka nsuo no. Oh. Onum ya wasema ka onim. Omo research ba come say any say won say flood in kosomo any say efie bia wo Ghana bia na say bia si ya tale and the first no na bia say nsuo bucket 10 to gu fie ho na un cement ho nyina na e bia bucket ni mu be say 4 e be soku na chela ko 4
nsuo no
e say wa tale ho nyina 10 ni nyina be pia bonten nti obi afie nsuo ni nyina to ya na e ho ba bonten na flood enti no going forward no eye enka ye say ye wo system say ye adwuma enka obi a wo si ofie wi a o se enka assembly me say da bi ye ma wo cement ofie wo nyina njaha ne dua yi banche baako dua yi pen say body dua baako ana se fa ye say wo de one fa nua kwa na nsuo no a ebe frade den so bete but ye obi a pe bia no ye me na manyam sika na ma frade me fie
mi dan wona ba kire me prime mi
si say atimi sa no
Abzanfo azante mame ni nkomo kakramra mame emma yetiefo nsu papa nom so hu mame ma omo nsu papa nom na omo nom nsu papa ni wia afi yaba na yaba beto aso me de bia meka me se kangen drinking water de me so de kone kodi wa betie kone kodi banku kone kodi waduane ni nyina wo de club bia no nom so de aze onum wia na yese wabbo kanje na guso na chese awhuru ni nyina me se eye nipadua no mu zoom lion aja say the zoom lion of the body so eye kanje na magic drinking water nti be bia wo bia kane na na bia manfo mi osunya eni bi ho mo techima mi ni bi ho mo de say be bia wo bia yes 16 regions ni nyina
same price nso one obenya no
oh okay
same price
there's a difference be any oh tamale a price e to no kumase no the same price now
to make us obi wo em set for me presiding elder back or Church of Pentecost Bremine district the Yaw Boamah ni store back water for back so adjoin from Afrancho
okay
no aba beje wasa teso be 27 or say 28 me say sa na e business
no beje e no wasa
teso so onya market
so for any e ba
na o her price no so just as the other waters and no pain na me papa cry twi ma adwen ba say any other waters na ye pe one hwe won so wo ho ase kanje ne boy din that is the notion na mentality
yes
and no pay ye ne ye papa na me bra penyi o ye me papa because o he ne age na but obi an country where you will not believe
or a senior citizen
yes
that's right
yes January 2024 last year early January I'm say 5th January me the link na send this for me
okay
and I papa e ba office ho but na wanum nso oni kakra o te Canada na e ho na wabobra for over the past decades
okay
na oba bia na o de ono ankasa ni nsuo ne na eba into video ne na safo e dey ato screen so here
okay
into this was early January on the Facebook now we who date no to testify said the American here no and that is the consistency we've been saying
okay
into your buy no ye testi ni nsuo na ye o de ba once abrochire for no mo buy galam say into almost nsuo na wa ha and na afi one here na typhoid ni ni am into nsuo a wonom bi
Belgium Ghana nsuo ma me yare me rane sa ni
and na no krenso
it's true
yes system I dey filtration reverse osmosis na yi minerals ni nyina na afi no de aka na ya acidic nkwa nti one ma weni ankọ nsuo ho a na oba ye testimony nti ye test ye no na ne de no wa tro ho say pH ne ye 8 ampa so ye test ye na ye 8
pepe
that is the truth ade no de ne ye 4 de ka che nipa ne say me pH ne ye 4 nipa ne pa also meto but what wrong say 8.5 ye better test ne na 3 ne 4 that is the deception nti anope de Masem yetia kangi na magic drinking water ono ankasa wa ha obese oni ye share refreshing testimony after 2 years of drinking the water ave hu nema papa e work engine muti se nia wa summarize the Median Muslim life
eno no papa ye ma che
ya aja
na ho ye
ya me adom na ho ye
yeso won accommodate de bifa
kanji me ho Libya boga
oh za
wow na senior elder Sameka no maybe me buy na me hwe Sompa. My wife did be on me kontokwa. My need that Sompa so no na dey na hu free Sompa na me say e ho na me pe.
No cre.
Nti me wana me hu say omo aye commercial. About Kanjin water no.
Yes.
Na metie ya na so okay. Mekwa kotobi na mahwe. Me banzo asene o kana me de nsuo ba. Nsuo no so ba entimen last.
Entimen fa onko enkosi.
Nti winim na me fie matu borehole no. Na me de filter aye me eba pipe no ya. Ndi na me feel say is okay. Because me de filter
ashishem.
Ndi na me bubi na mano. Me bubi na mano.
Okay.
Nti okasa sana na mse no. Ene ma me nsuo bi nko na me test hwe. Me koye sa acid wo mu no.
Ano den
Enye kura. Na mse okay ne efiri okọ no. Me to no front no bottle kese no
dispenser no.
Me to na me de aba na mato nketo no bi.
Okay.
Me ko ba bia na maye.
O de nketo ano mo
eko. Me ko na sana me to Ghana de no bia. Me bedru fia na makobu me kanjen kan no bi.
No anu moguso.
Say acid bi kura ba
flash.
Be neutralizing no na.
That's right.
Na wa your friends emboga. O hwe me fia. Me kan chire wa. Akaka bi na manya 70 years.
Woo.
Yes. Manya 70.
And as who fe.
Won say o hwe me body a.
Yes.
On ka say manya 70 years o. What is it?
When I'm sadi pa.
Yes.
Fresh boy.
And so na me no. Since I mean you know, me num so bia o.
Wow.
Me ko me kroma me de be ko esa na ma pe akwa mo kan bi akwa no.
Other brand.
Other brand ni bi na ode.
Me bedu kuma say na ma start me nti me de compare bottle ones ngeto no. Compare ni you know, it's almost the same. Na am say nipa nya hu.
Say bebre na adwene yo mo say ne bo no.
Ne bo nya den.
And I say a special B. I say
sene ne ye ka no. Utimi tobi woda bia untimi ntokura tobi. Na wonum aye kaka na wodu we no kakra bagum say de baya acid no.
Because clear system na ma.
Acid no wo mo ameti hu say yare kitu bi bo pe na ye. Ti say me we me nkase yengu yebegu. Ba me bo me ho ban ya. O ji say Nyankopon be frem say utama so be senko. Na me nko no nsuo bi ama me yemu na wo se na bacteria bi akoye da bi nti me ba ya me be botsa nsuo nyese bi ya bibia o se ni nipa betumi a sustaining in life nkwa kwa achiri kakra na nyame fro na oye nyese bi ya nsuo bi na wakofa na wanom na tunutumu bi akoyem na nti anopei me buy me can't the whole Ghana, including Kumasifo. Since you're in the born yet, this time so modi athlete na me to him. Okwa nsuo no bi wo.
Okay.
Ngeto ano.
Okay.
Ba me ya me koto akese no binti. Me kwa na mato. Say da me ntime nkwa na makọ
sa shop na wo bushim no. Okay.
Obia enhwe ba bi otene na onye untimi afro mu a ombekire obabi a obenye anya bi. Mate.
Yaw Boamah.
Mania de pass ma ba
Me so
aka oman hin.
Oman hin tia ne na chi kakra.
Me ba na so ne me hu oman hin. Ba me hu Libya bogana ba ko no de say you sorry say
Asante Eboa.
Yes.
Me
tie mo ba every day bia.
Nyame Israel. Eti na yeso so ye ma usu papa no ye no.
Eti Gaddafi.
Le mo ko Canada na o mama kujao. O kwa ya kachem na mama kujao. Mate. Dia no o mama kujao.
E do border no maka yeso be jam kwa obesan ko.
Mo eno no.
Libya. Adansi bani conversations. Aye niama bebre. O he skin here o ka and afi internally. On say yare bebre na nipedua na ya sedeka. Ye be studio na ne driver on ne buy na any meeting come say last time be o mo buy kra na akokre bia we bubu fem. Na odi adansi say nso nti wetumi anante. Office one dey o ba I'm telling you before God.
Adansi enko a.
I'm telling you. One say your system yen ka say edro nye. But edro bia on a side effect.
No correct.
And edro we have food supplements and then naturally said the formally you can even have a small garden in your home. As no buy and no chemical bia
one word you are there over the so
ebi wo mi fie ho make say those she go so no have to kama no color added nothing na uti ya woro ho a ya na ya koi but enen galam say ni to ye den a pesticides no bedi weedicides ni say chemicals so ye den obedi kanje ni nsuo ni ebia wonya ne de bia but ne e kan say Unya, but more than 30 Ghana cedis for a pack of water there. And not that expensive compared to your health. And all your testimonies amount for all the testimony, Papa David Abediano pay 70 years. Just a month or two to 70. But he's looking so young. Since 2 years plus, why so consistent? Instead of Abia, or they will try medications. Medications have their side effects. Trying so no be consistent with it. No matter what. So now one can man so no can and then knowledge abounds. Offer mobile phone. Now will be Japan say baby and so originating machine and honor we can get such as a Chinese say call back to origin.
Okay.
What they do is they use the machine in medical hospitals. So obi yare omunim say yare de na fare by acidosis 99%. Uni peduane ya acidic yare to meet him. Omuma unso no me na flash sa acidosis no. Every immune system becomes strong. Na be yare be into meet him. Na be oni pedua zoom lion. Enti ano baby a obi a ode you don't have to hasten. No person yet distributor with 2000 Ghana cedis. Obi to me about on board. 2000 Ghana cedis. You be more 20% commission. Until the 2000 but we in so 2,400. Now obi person a major distributor say ohwim say o person obi a wo ohwim barricades area however two free wo na wo di 20,000 ebeba and no ye wo commissioner ye mount to the tune of 5,000 he can so no nti wo dey forget say so na man for di dance say say wo di 20,000 eba na ye the 5,000 mount so account we nya ponzi scheme
straight na just when 5,000
yeah they bro 5,000
wow
na den nsuo amount for and say real problem. So let's take advantage of this good water na aba. Na Japan ukoho any amanone bebrea. It is the machine na yetom. But here han ye yensu na ma every household because machine $10,000. Nipa dodo say na betimi ato. Na mum nsuo ne de 30 cedis. Or ye distributor kra de 24 cedis. Obenye bi ato. Dispenser nso na obetimi afford their dispenser 20 liters 30 Ghana cedis. Asem ye tia. Bomodian e bra on board. Na fi sisa wonsuo na nya pomudempa. Mo.
Me aba afi me yehu ba bi benye bia toto.
We dey if true for no some dance ni wa buji. Bia koma e din. Ya be kan but papa dey no bom se wanya bibi wo manka won tutu ni nan na me se na daje e me di sa nti ya wobrema UGC your numbers ni 0241 44 91 0241 44 91 and 0507 37 94 74 WhatsApp text messages. Baby,
okay, baby, Obia no. Just dial the number.
Baby, Ofreya na ya chro nearest distributor obey.
Okay.
Na unsaka unso.
Okay. Edamase.
Yes, yeah, that's.
Edamase. Yebeko so na ya num kanjin.
Me din the Sako there.
Mr. Sako there. Okay. So say ohwim. Mo. Na komi tofa ho ameba besra pa ofie
na memfa ho amoso Libya boga ba me
ai maba besra ya say abza for nti we de wasum a we kura de nya wasum wani tuem so hu na Mr. Sako de aba bedi ho adanse de a kire ye no ensu a sese obi enom eye kanjen no na ye nom ti kopebi na ebobo sorti ase me dem say nipadua no muzum lion a ekle bibia de afri honum de amount mama ni dwa kakra na fi ye nto aso abzanfo ye ko Dwaben Rural Bank na ye ne onum akodi Dwaben Rural Bank omo ene ye ne omu di dwa sese se ene ope bank ya odwuma wo ye omo no omo gye akese eji nkuma eji adantemu se mpo abrabɔ na fe na wo hyase ye kra no a Dwabirura bank se fa ho be fam yen fa ho ebe boyen na yemwa na ye ne wonyini emfa emu ye ma loans a kese ho nsi ho no kuma bi ene ye megina wo kon so emedwa wasum emetete wo bia ni ye nhyehyɛ ya wo no a wodi sika ne kwakwa ye adwuma no ho beto na ye so Dwabirura bank ye ho atoyen na so hand go hand come na yedigwa saa Dwabirura bank eden nhyehyɛ pi ena aba eba no fixed deposit ya you will be ewo honomo eba na obatampa loan scheme so a ye bi ede amount small and medium enterprises a mo share eye adwuma ase no for eye Dwabirura bank ene ye de ho ekwakobo wonum wakra wo niema bi amana ba begu pot no ne ade ena opesa wo kɔ clear ja utwa wo ne ntobi animu a fa ho ekobo Dwabirura bank ne mmoa wo yen clear ne ma ne ma wo na yenyen hyehyɛ papa emmoa wo ema udwede hu nsensem enkoyie ye branches ne dɔso ye wo adwoso ye wo bonre ye wo dwaben ye wo atimatim ye wo onwe ye wo Roman Hill ye wo Mazin ye wo Sepetim Pomu ye wo Fumeswa ene saso wo Adehyeman ene ani nkomo 0271 409340 0271 409340 and 0208521668 Dwabirura bangena efrefre wono and Mama's Choice so home Mama's Choice fufu mix for weekend koko remusa no e de ebedi fu so hu ebedi fufu fi honom yakopon yad match na Saturday amanfo tim na ne kwasiada kra de ya na ase ya bope se kwasiada na Ghana fu ni fufu ene yefie biem wo kwa asore no adwa banche na si wonom onkwa ne kra de sa abre no ne ke sa ben kra de da enti oba ya no oba be so hiti keke na fe banche no wa cancel no de sinse Mama's Choice fufu mix se waba ama fufu die no ayefo ayemre edi amaye kane no na wo koto banche no waba bedwa udwa banche no kra na se kan timi twawo ama fufu no kra sa wanum ubechiri wo area ho nyina nya banche nto sese kra na yeze banche abakra no ekeja na sei body abakra no sese body so ne boden abusanfo sadie ni nyina na ama sese obia enani akire eye Mama's Choice fufu mix ya eno na sese obia de fufu mix we no sane udi fufu o body fufu no sa pepepe ena Mama's Choice fufu mix etie sane udi o manke fufu no sa pepepe ena Mama's Choice fufu mix etie ena Mama's Choice mackerel enti so hu o kanimi enu bom sa no a na amafie hono ma ye nika onko ofufuo tim ema ofie wura wonko tu oti abrosan so nti no ama ofufuo kura die aye basa Mama's Choice fufu mix ba ye nti no ama sese sa tim no obi anti tim ofie ho ba no adi fufuo awie o jese ama fodwene wo nti ase na wo fufuo da ba ya anti na ja Mama's Choice no waje ahye dem so hu na wudi wade kakra kama upebi ato a enye na odwa so ene Mama's Choice mackerel no ni nyina odwa so a enye na free 0244451229 0244451229 and 0244254202 0244254202 na yeni enkomo BB Fabrics ho and ye kwakoje ye quality fabrics so material papa so hu na ye dia pam ene girls straight dress papa bi na jese oboa oya so okoto no boutique wa oboa eye BB Fabrics onom no koyi material no ene omo so mo materials no omo fabrics no edem so hu edem ba ko pe enye mehia menua sam boutique sem bia ni debi ba ko no a nko a na gese wodem na wo sen say ye mema de say ye ma de colors ene se de usi penny bia busianfo for ne ekire BB Fabrics na ekoje eye o materials nyina se ope full belia e bone da form 8,000 Ghana cedis na o de sing ope half bill so a 4,000 Ghana cedis na o de sing so ope quarter so a na o do 2000 Ghana cedis aba begi bi ene obi e pamatade especially on weekends ya hye coat abobotai no abre. And normally from Friday at the kokosi ya Monday ya besa kwa adwuma no ya na ene ya kwa ye kra so hu bonso apam ne natade papa bi kama nice one and tell afo no so abana cap clothing mo ne inshiraba mu ene ya Smith stitches mo enyasem ketwa wo mo ebehwehwe correct design pa Bana say tija for you also fly just after commercial bank no a ho ena ye wo fraying 0552 799 750 0552 799 750 and 0209 070858 0209 070858 nani BB Fabrics eni enkomo na fe yako na yako Diamond Scientific Research and Alternative Medical Hospital omo ene de Donek Herbal Mixture abedwaso na busanfo we be ma he hwetere sam be ma de ohoba ntemu anye o uhu ahyichai ayi tanwuzie uhu chese uhu abufu be ma ho bantem uhu chese ede onko na ade asichiri onko a na udi ayi na me na boys ni bitimi kasa ma fi wunti oboa o yare krache ko pedro num eye Donek Herbal Mixture Donek Herbal Mixture we bia so erectile dysfunction num a boost to immune system etutu sisi yade ase eboa krama moja na etimi dia frusa ne ye onse normally se moja na ntimi nko na emeya ene na ma ntimi inflow enko akudo nsuro aba no a utade choro one ewo na ntem no ntimi nko nkoduru ho no nti hwetere etimi si nitrase krama ntimi ensore osa no pe bia obema itimi ema good morning no say kai ebo adwuma correct pa before enya na pharmacy shops and drugstores awudo no Kumasi Colinac no Freddy Mens Misty Herbal Osons Danny Herbal Adia Pharmacy Baseline Pharmacy ene pharmacy shops ahudo nyina mu ewo mayimo obenya bi ato 0246727677 0246727677 and 0249 208252 0249208252 na yene edin komo Time Herbal Mixture yeso malaria no a jese amwada ne pagame kosi awie mu a okeka ho enkeka wa awia boy awodeo awia boy nyina wosi awodeo awososo na beba wosisi ewuro de no nti wo no okwaya na ansa obae eye malaria ena amwanu atosa no ena mache se wapia tete no atekwa untimi ni di ye odi kakra no kope Time Herbal Mixture na ebobo ene yesa so Time HH Herbal Mixture ene ne capsules honum so hu ononnom ne sa no a boost immune system no ma ho ye den emma ne nkoba se yade bi ekowo mu a na eba bekra we Time Herbal Mixture and a Time HH Herbal Mixture and the capsules na make come for the amawo 0244 417669 0244 417669 pharmacy shops and drugstores ahudo mu ubenye bi ato Yaw Herbal toothpaste so hu and then the brushes no and as I say you use so your Yaw toothpaste you want a herbal you want a teeth whitening you want a hudo mu be 3 and you total care ya so hu o de to se no so a ma wo se na hoden eyi green ne enema basa no a ewo wo se ne so no efiri ho no mo ewi a asaso ma wo se na ye fita pie white kama we Yaw toothpaste hwasem ene ye ka edichire we ene ye wo Yaw toothbrush so ewo dwaso a eno so ye wo de ano den ye wo de ano mre wo de to se no so a very gentle on your teeth so na ama o se na hoden pa Yaw toothpaste Yas toothbrushes and one, and as I say, Ubia edition is saying, hey, and Colano or more dear, and Rantanama Bawa more dear, and Meriwane Cocran Munina Ubia to me, you see Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Emma no Ebuanum. Dawood Herbal Clinic, so Sebra, Dumpe. Yeah. Umbeto Sisia, Dawood Herbal Clinic no you say o diabetes, pressure, stroke, name, stomach ulcer, ne sexual weakness no ene honamre hono etutu ono where the yasesa kakre ya against you asha se etuto kakre ya nra eto ye kohwe obi akampam osore ensore adaya sasabro wo me so ena me hututu me ena chese ne ho puse che ne nyina eye joint pains no ene sasabro ene sisi yade ena aye ne sa obi wo no ma ne body no so ho efri ni tibesi ni sisi no abedi one side ena ni sisi no susu dikosi ni nase akodi one side echembidie ka ne body ne sa na akoye enti echina mewu na ade nanam hoyi ko Dawood Herbal Clinic onomo na busiafo yemfa duru nkan so ho eba ne diabetes ne pressure ne stroke ne oba ne bema mo pawo stomach ulcer sem ne de yete ne tekra ena joint pains dompe sem no eno so de kese de hohuru yempene dwaye ye wo Dawood 360 capsules ho ene wo Dawood ointment so ewo honomo a ne nyina ebo pa ye wo adweso krapa ha ya ofreyen 0241 244012 0241 244012 and 0244 886437 0244 886437 na ye no edi enkomo and asfoam so ye the mattresses papa aba so ye mpa no ne ye mattress no woda so a ye yanomfo de anu a obeda sori ye che we kra de wo nan sori woda kete no so na woda mattress no so no a da ye funko na obeso saa obeso da ye na ntontom e de AK47 HSU obeso da ye na mponko che se esan obeso da ye na ayi ntafre e de ayi sekan esan obecha se da ye basa ni nyina o mattress ni nye mattress ninge obeda obesore na honam nyina ya enade sa wo so kasa wo kwa akoda ebusunya o rest into osa won sore mfiri kete no so on sore mfiri mattress no so on sore mfiri mpa no so no na wo de ahode soronko na esore ye enya sa wo kwa akoda no wasa so abre aye mmere kra chen bra wo so bre ye no a na enka wo kwa akoda no nyina ye mattress na edu ba bi a obeda sore na usisi nyina honam nyina tutu mattress ne enye asfoam na woda so ntia se wada asfoam so a enkasa experience we nyina no onye bi ye obi onom so a wo kwa akoda yi oda bia me konye me ya madam kon so o pillow ne nye usumye no enye kope asfoam ye mattresses ye pillows ibi ena ye chese ye duvets ne ye curtains ne ye towels ne ade onse o towel bi wono mo a wo de pepa wo ho kra on pepa wo hunye na towel na se tutu aka body no so that say tutu aka body no so towel ne ye munu ntia masa oboa wo towel ne nye kope asfoam your towels ne bi your mattresses your pillows your duvets papa your curtains ah obi awura wo hall was dale o curtain ye heavy so that say ni nyina asfoam for and a day aba edwaso ye the superior bedding so jajajajai o da so da panom ne ade a koye showrooms ahodo num so oje mattress no na oje mpa na oje ye nkonya ne bi na oje ye pillows na oje ye towels ne ye curtains ne bi na fi hono ayenika edi ama Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital for ye ko Amen ye ko Aminu nyankopon ene yaresafo allow sarfi nyame ene yaresafo Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital say men kan kiro say yade bia da ne kwankro ti ni peduanim a che say wakwa wode ahyɛ wabusuafo ofie wode ahyɛ wo nana bi wode ahyɛ wo maame bi wode ahyɛ wo papa bi wode ahyɛ wo nua ba bi ene yɛsɛ yɛ ntɔ yadeɛ ɛyɛ abonsam yadeɛ ɛyɛ abɛɛfo yadeɛ abusua unko aiming scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital nti ene yadeɛ no wode hyehyɛ adum ni adan no woduro no mo a ka yadeɛ na tu adwane afiri nipadua no mo wade wo ho yadeɛ deɛ ya wo yadeɛ deɛ ya na oko aiming scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital yema eduro papa yankase bi biduro ya yede suru wisa efom wisa hwentia ene sorry akeke duro kakra ede afra no yede etu yare ase ede ama kumase yewo atwema tachiman kwada so contempo no na wa branch wo eye ukota no so no so hum no wa branch sa na je say uko aiming scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital yade bia say ye stroke say ye say o kidneys no na ho aka when your kidney stones o liver o lungs nom bibia say yade onase atatai onase ahyehyенsuo honhuna na honhunu emodua honhunu de ye wo ososofo ne na wo fom honhu de wuye bia watwa scan ekọ hemfa baye wanunum dure ekọ hemfa baye enso honhuna na honhunu anase osotia na tiefo na wo fom a abusiafo nye slimming course bia na wo kwa ko aiming scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital na yen show free 0277 001234 0277 001234 and 0241 367341 0241 367341 nane aiming scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital any enkomo abusiafo ma memfa eyenkai boyi entwa to na afi abusiapeni asante metena se na afi yento aso nana otuo serebo nana dwaben hene nana kosua echama otoso enan nana dwaben hema nana eye jeche amo otoso mienu eye muramura ehene ekona abusua pani mramra ne asante dwaben eye siwa apia ofa kwame tua obrempon nana apo sawansa nana heman hene opani yaw mensa eye ja ora ni kwei edefo esoso eye kunafo mani bene oba pani akoso sapon odwaben ora NSC boatin ene cheye busua ni nyina ohima adwoa dokuwa CEO of Beauty Queen Kumase Honorable Kofi Brakon former Tema Central MP ene cheye busua no wo Tema Nenkran Mr. and Mrs. Edubofo We2C Foods Tema Honorable Dr. Mrs. Kwabena Edubofo former Finance Minister and Dr. Mrs. Janet Sifabuachi CEO Anita Hotel Juso Ebusuyen ene manyina ne kunafo de areho ese asanteman ne Ghana mani wiase nyina se omade nyina omo maame womu enuaba wonomo eba womu eyire nana akua frempoma ya wotoso mienu mramra hema wadane bonkum so na reho semi esi ewo afie twemu no ne October bosome de toso dunsia na sare hosemi eto abusua no na abusua ne se wonomo atena se abubu nano a ayene se so domfo ya adom na jacket mada abudwe moje die mafu sania abusua nhyehyɛ ne se eye me busumi a yewrami ne da etoso enwotwe eda no eye yawada womo ede mame ebetumpam na ifri eye anopa nunsia edikusi enwumre nunsia de na chese eye na yie ho nhyehyɛ no na womo ede ahyehye so na fi amanfo aba behwe ma me ani achi na yesu agya no kwan na yakɔ akɔpɛ ne korabrɛ ɛno no deɛ kwasibiri ne bɛka no sɛ ɛyɛ private na afei adeɛ kye ɛyɛ ne fiada so a amammerɛ ne amanneɛ kwa so no ɛsiane sɛ na ɔyɛ ɔba pani ɛyɛ ɔhema nti no na deɛ obɛdi n'adeɛ so no ɔmo ɛde saa nhyehyɛeɛ no atoa so na de kyeɛ ɛyɛ efiada no ɛwɔ mmerammerɛ asante akyem yɛ bɛn ɛyɛ kwawpra so na afei memene da ɛyie atoa so ɛfie awia dɔnko ɛde kɔsie anwummerɛ no nsia na afei adeɛ kye ne kwasi ada so a ɛsiane sɛ twɛdeampo nyankrompɔn no ɔno a nenim ne ɛyɛ no ɔyɛ ma abusua nti no ɔmode n'aseda akɔma no na ne kwasi ada soɔ no ɔmo asa so atena se bio na ɔmo anomame sikasa ɔmo sɛ ɛyie akɔyɛ nkogya ɔno anko bɛba ɛna ma yie baayɛ tomo ton safre Ghana man aton safre Asanteman aton safre biase nyinaa sɛ adekɛseɛ ɛna atɔ mani no na yenkogya abusuan nti mame ne funeral poster ɛna ɛda ye TV so nti yɛne yɛwɔ Kumase nom ne ade deɛ wonam Santase runabout wonam yami ahodo pino a ɛyɛ a wohu sɛ yɛ mame ne billboard SCC Chrome T odomfo ya adom a na kyese next week saa ne ebeka no next week na kyese yakọ ne yakọ akọja abusua I don't know eyenka abono si mama enye birthday si na fe menko sexy givers ho na yeni nkomo kakra. Happy birthday to Vincent Kojo Amwatin Boatin yakodin wa. Happy birthday to Vincent Kojo. Yo, yasi enyame duru ho. Yo, Matia. Give us. Ma yeni nkomo a ma yeni nkomo na fe. Sure. Anopra se mo hu so we busy. Yeni nkomo ma minti wa no pay.
Oh, yeah, Ghana fa kwa ba Sompa 93.1 live on Sompa television. You pass it through na getting nkomo e dey afa Give Us Industries in product and as yenra hodwo enuma ewo ejase na mo ba bedi hu nkomo. Ye bon nkomo dey afa Give Us GC Misha and I Give Us GC capsules edra eboa na enenemu yare any other related infections e beto ase akwanhon koso e dey afi woni pedi enemu na afen so ade say Give Us P capsules and I Give Us co capsules and so wait me eboa na ene koko ni amama ewo ne pedi enemu nso no ade say ebeboa na afi eto ase dey afi ne pedi enemu ye bema ana simple your power think aseme ko form ya de say dro no enso etime boa na sa ha no ebetu asia na fo ye be ma o mema yo enso aba form a eno say recommend Give Us P capsules and afi co capsules de ma and afi so Give Us about me dro no so eboa na enemu Give Us about me dro no so eboa na malaria typhoid and afi join this ebetu asia kwanhwon ko so e de afi ye woni pede enemu enti ye mpese obe compromise on your health no numbers ni active we screen and so no ase obeje na wafre na when hia mpo bia no dofo bi hia be from 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 gabi eto no bia wo man Ghana mu nationwide kwa insist say ope Give Us yen product ni bi na watimi ene yen so adi en komo ye bon komo dia fa Give Us GC mixture and afa Give Us GC capsules adro enwa me si so enen so me si so me say eboa na enemu yare nyina any other related infections and ipedia na nya mfemfim pemunhyamu dia no eboa na etu ase na de bia meka say World Health Organization ye bia sikoba tan ya wonum hwe bia ase apomde ho nsem so na wonsem a woken na yetia wonum se enemu yare no dodo na eba ne pedia no so no ye de yefe ne say symptomatic ne ka se enemu yare bi symptomatic a de pese hwe na ne se enemu yare aba ne pedia no so ne so symptoms ne na di ema wonhu ebesiden na wafa aso ano se symptoms ne na di a because no na e dia mo ho se no kra ebonya yare ni bi nti oba be hya ase se obetu ho anamo na se esiewo na se empie ya wanhwe ya prekopa na ebepio no obroni se untimely ebetimi akun e de wafrati asefo asase so nti ase ko hospital bi a ben wo test so test positive na wa give us GC mixture and I give us GC capsules aduro no na wanom ebetimi aboa na enemu yare any other related infections ebetu ase give us yen market aduro ne keke na ene ye ma wo the need di ntia wo so koto ye nuro no and am say yen market aduro ne de ama wa abra wa yare ni bi no na ye kye yare ne kofa ba ne ye kye no ma hodo a wo ya emmo ni pedua no no abomode no atwon ho ade afiri ho se obetu kwan ana se wetu dada utie me ba bia owo no unim ebia nipa na won mo hono won health status into say washroom bia betena so WC na wotena so sa or reproductive organ eye exposed into microorganisms ana say bacteria sa onfa wani enhu won penetrate through or reproductive organ into say antiseptic bia ogidi say timi kuma moawa tobi na ehwie bi kakra de ben egum na emmoa na ene semmoa mo wo so ento ase dodo na enyampemu yare e de afri na simple STIs e de afri eye public washrooms ahodo a na enye basically because of say empemu agudie na wono mediye and am say dodo na nim say ayades no timi man nipa enya namu yare easily no honom de ana wono be careful pa na so ba other activities eno no enye empemu agudie a aya na eno bona adwen hyeda ni honom nti ase give us apomodem pa church no ene na ma yeda nso efi other pharmaceutical companies nti ase na no pay ye de san church no nso me de amount sanso na afi blood transferring manasa blood transfusion semi no be blood group ya permit me donate moja e de amano ye say ye examine moja ne hu se no kra ya de senke kan wa bia ni ho anasa bacteria se bia enso eni ni padua ne mu ansa na wo de pass on e de ama ofoforo enti sa se wanye ni sa potentially enipa na betimi anya de friend se ennamu yare ahodo no emu bia ebi nti mesel pe give us GC mixture and afi give us GC capsule samson afi moja ewo nipadua ne mu de eba bonten externally say a splash and as split gu aduane so na wa examine aduane ne ye bia na dwuma kwa akoto aduane na blood samples ewo so enkanka fruit ahodo a ye de sekan ye twitwa ne nyina potentially se udi na ekoni nipadua ne ma wo de wodwen se bia mpemu nhyiamudie nti sebio mu yisi condom na these other avenues no ebetimi anam so ama wanya sa enemu yare ahodo no enso emu ebi extreme kissing se ofefe ano rough se especially nipa no kotwa awon enuma and also stand a possible chance because exchange of saliva there se ebetimi anam so ama enemu yare ahodo no wanya bi nti we ene afoforo bi ya ka ho se won ho so ho sha se ye ohene reproductive organ into boni sha se mefrimu ade eba wo your ba wo your bema boys anasa bombs agu reproductive organ ho a wenyina syndicate wo your bema o mema yo aba forma bon ka ya mo ho se wenya namu yare ahodo no ebi ntime show pe give us GC mixture and afi give us GC capsules adro ebeboa na enamu yare nyina any other related infections ebetu ase ade afri aye nipadua no anso emu frayin on 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 baby eto no bia wo man Ghana nation wa do kwan siste se ope give us in product ne bi okọ so na ma foforo se di dwuma te se give us na se ne give us ye pa me show menje the original give us na FD dwuma ba bia nko fine and fine ma pomene pan chechewe unya ne ba bia I guess give us industry se tumra na ya chesie ya market ya drone keke ya cho ya re ne kofa ba na se uwo bia ya recommend give us the money amount safety precautionary measures and nyoma obeya ana simple nyoma wo se wodi so a and am so ma unya ya re ne bi give us P capsules and afi co capsules and so aboa na oye bema ema omema yo atimi agina brand moja wose di afrosane anasa wose circulating free wo arteries mo ade bent na bo obema anso emu enti se ne wo ye bema na omema yo aba forma mentena se masa hawon ento emefie ja anso enum give us P capsules and afi co capsules ebeboa premature ejaculation sanso na afi low sperm count ebetu sa hawon ngina ase enso ade afri again nipadua no enso emukoko ni amaman ewo nipadua ne mudidi a basic food nutrients na nipadua ne penage byproduct na wose ba bonten anase metabolic waste efine ntimema na aka nipadua ne mu no ebasa obonse emma wokra no woni padua na nsese ne ho so onum give us about mixture dro no na eboa na say efine nyina no e piano kama na de aba abonten na nipadua na nya apomden pa no nso epeyese yam balance the equation of meal and am say carbohydrate food and am the starchy content na nipadua na say sebio oyemehwa say 18 more nti yesi o balance the equation of meal na wodi nuane containing fiber no na ema oyema da honom na on top of it o dey give us pea capsules and afi co capsules and so ka ho na eboa na ni nyina and so eba bodily allergies steady woni pedia no ebia wodi aduane bi honom a reaction na de ma ono te say de wanya koko ono mu nso onwunu na ehaw efin ekomu sa ne o mani nyina wa say ye steady na say empo ebia na wanda steady wo body no nanso wadi aduane bi ema reactions te say de wanya koko ana say koko ankasa natural blood vessels no stretch obeja wonan na obehu say meye moja ewo ma onum give us pea capsules and afi co capsules na ebetu ase oye oba we be ma watenkasem ekofom 365 days in a whole calendar year na watenkasem e form a onum na ebeboa na sa hawo no ebetu ase de afi honom fragen and they among come on 0543
0543
222 470 0543
222 470
Not waiting me any anabon come yes sir so would give us about mixture drew a buana boost immune system a general webinar draw into say onya rimpa I idea so betimi atobe na one no mentwen ma yare meto ansa na wape give us about mixture draw ni be anso no menam say immune system no eno na wase yare ebe ni pede ani mu nyina no recognition and identification na etimi di say adwumadie no na eka yare ahodo no me sha say ekon anso e de afri honom into yesrew pebi na enom na immune system no component na make up immune system bone marrow complement system and a white blood cell no enya hoden hwonko na efedi dwuma na bibia nko fine enso mfama woni pedia no malaria yare no female anopheles mosquito all cow no na or the plasmodium parasite ma wana egu woni pedia ni mo onum bi no ebebo na sa ha on to ase de bia meka set woni faith po ye twa mu ya na ye world malaria day na wi ase nyina ye pekwan pa ye befa so am ye be ko ana se ye benam so ma malaria yare no enso atimi abrase nti ase enye fin bebre stagnant waters a movie ye ntitim na ye mpiama no enko se ne ye be ya enam so sa na e bleeding tontom nti ye se sa safety precautionary measures we ya de emau na se mpo wanya yare ni bi onante kakra bi na wabre wa personal o ya loss of appetite ntimi ndidi a na wape give us about mixture draw no na wanom sa how de betu ase de afi honom join this said de afi honom typhoid area no so e betu ase salmonella typhi moawa wonom spread through nsuo na afi solid food ayanom ti ase aduane ya solid na oben one sa na wadi na manim ben yi nsuo so brand bi agedi ese na quality no wahro no to na enom sanso na afei efie aduro bi agedi ese odigu nsuo ma enam swana se ema ho eteno be srofedi dwuma se ne be ya obesti alive na se empo wanya typhoid ya re ni bia mesro kan ho say give us about mixture draw no I tried and tested obetimi atobi na wanom gia numbers no fragen ani among commo nationwide baby abeko bia o se ope give us about mixture draw ebeboa na boost immune system malaria typhoid and after join this a bit too ase de afini pede animo and after give us GC mixture and after give us GC capsules adrono so eboa na enemu yare ngene a bit too ase and after give us P capsules and after co capsules and so eboa na mema yoba from koko ni amama nyina Omane mema wanatenka seme ofom ebetu asie freyen on 0543
222
470 0543 222 470 nationwide baby akwa insisting so pe give us in product ni bi ya boga
but I say example my birthdays no na fe sorry so happy birthday to Vincent Kwejo Amwatin Boating. Happy birthday to Vincent Kwejo Amwatin Boating. Kwejo udin wa u na ya na kom register mu book na chi udin tintin nyina akọ ho school or Nargis Angels Educational Complex from your dad Mr. Anthony Akwesi Boating, CEO of Adom Keke. Okay. Kwa you happy birthday wate nyame onsraw na onto nkwanem kwa tenti ahode wom odomfo no emfa ennom and a blessed birthday to Reverend Isaac Asante Reverend Isaac Asante a head pastor, Lighthouse Chapel International, from the entire congregation. Reverend Isaac Asante, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Mr. Williams Opoku Mensa. Mr. William Opoku Mensa won Carrier Forestry Commission. Berma Drew of Nyinahini. So my happy birthday. And happy birthday to Mr. Dennis Chebafo Esiama. Mr. Dennis Chebafo Esiama of DKB Media from Berma Drew Nyinahini. And a special birthday to Systematic Press. Any idea? Minim ni obeye kureibu. Systematic you. Minim ni obeye kureimu. Matesi yesi when you transfer.
Oh, kwahi.
When you
transfer window na biye.
The transfer window na biye. Matesi when you transfer. The Systematic Press of Sompa Makra. I am happy birthday. Yes, when you transfer what? When you transfer, and happy birthday to Ajua Nyameche. Happy birthday to Ajua Nyameche. Ajua Nyameche ampa. Namiache ade. From Akosia Somua. Also my happy birthday. Na Ajua na de kasem say. Ajua Nyameche jira TV so nya nyame na de ache no. Nyame na de ache no. And ya Grace last one of ya mami and Jamene day. And we so from a free Billy our the marketing department of Sompa Television. Or say Oma Jacqueline Boateng a happy birthday. To Jacqueline Boateng my happy birthday from a year in Billy our a marketing department. I say my happy birthday Jackie. Somebody no more trust Jackie and then happy birthday Asante.
Yeah.
Akasima bedu na sorry. Na sorry ako anopei. Me na no na meka se ewiase no de edru no. No kre yasa. It is enkebe ya nipa emfere no kre na no kre kan ye din. Nyakopon de so mabo no so ebeche. Ndi antoa nzo enwe. Suma nkwa ahene sisi kura no. Onya dwuma bia nche da nya bia. So
Entinka opese enyere.
We are na me de ajew.
Diabo.
Oh, ka president na no gina Independence Square wusai. Na suma nkwa ahene gina ho. Na nkran ni your friends Wulemo. No so gina ho. Yaw. Yeah. Amaniaba. Yeah. Na no sase ya wiaw. Hwan wiaw. Odi esika mfa nensen. Monse nafu. We bone. Na ka ministers ni nyina ya so omlai. Unya ready so obedi sika dia fa adwuma ne to ne ko.
Mese onni enu ntina ye de court call ye no
hwan
court say obedi sika ye mfa no nkoko
me de me no nya asem mfa nkoko to me di Asante me ka kire wo ne so why wadwiri so de mbenya asem a me ne me mfa nkoko to
ai nte say we are krachi ni hwan krachi ni do say nka wo he atemu no krachi kwanso
krachi court na ye ka kire say ho ne ye nka no kore ye ka de mo ti fa the camera.
Emranso
nye no kre. Ezezi ebeka de. Bobudia.
Oma ya onim. Ayifo events asofo no. On say isi sware na nam edua eni esapare nam abosomsom de na nam mfani agro.
Yes.
But asofo no mode mo aboa mane sebi emaburu edua ye kwa abosom so kwa no ye mu dodo na afere mpo. Because mo say di abosom na temo Ghana na
abosom so ya kwase asem. O tombosom a wagimi ya aboa wa.
No. Oma ya mane Santinia na say Ghana ni bi e kwaboso. Ase
enimonyam bie nim.
Ente no de Ghana asofo no kwa de
Omaya
dear. And but
Omogu abosom na nimase.
Omogu abosom na nimase. Ama boss maya atantan dear.
E wa manfo ani so.
E wa Ghana fo ni pa do na say besi o mo say boss ma we besi. Na dear nje say. Eniama ya ka gu abosom so.
Omo na gi drink.
Enti na abosom ni nyina.
Na sina bokra de ko omonye.
Omo ya the functional. But ade ba ko na nka lawyer for so nko mbe ye be boa yen pa ni say. Nka de asem ba court wa. Ya nansa ne nan bosome na nke di awie
lawyer ne
enam say lawyer for no amwa yen wo do asem court bra bebre ya hwe ene obasem akodu jeje nim say yen ka no no boka be 1000 cedis udi abo no how many 56 because timbo dia na
kosia 2 cedis
kosia 2 cedis mienu
na me nya pete say your friend say quarter say quarter ye be 10 cedis or 15 cedis
no abudua
makun wo se mabodua mi kun wo se mabodua
enti na
kosia akosia 2 cedis asante kosia ne boy den ya 5 cedis
enti no traditional
enti nya 20 cedis ya makuni pa
traditional justice no traditional justice na fo ankasa o mre how bi anim e na wo bodua no kom se acha asa be na otwe mienu miensa na asa susanso eba enso so do wasem kwoto jeje nim jeje be fra asem no wo to ahyeda na lawyer no aba da gidate say o to wasem ahyeda meanwhile special justice dey yentu asem ahyeda enti se mo pese mabunu jeadu aboa Ghana mpanimfo seek justice at the court fast track ni amama ne nkoso medema se abedu court na onipa na odifo ne namani so yima chia na ono ebia ne nsem oduo nti no wakwakohu obi wo baabi na asem ye no fon na medema tuma breadu abo duabo so de ese bokomu se etimi bobi kro fon so de mane
nenka
ayampa
yetimi de duabo WhatsApp o obetimi de dua WhatsApp o se me bo dua nam de WhatsApp o ubie hwe ya nyawo wo hu
wo mie de nyawo
ni yar se betiki mienu e yar tiki mienu edem
ba mo do ade ba ko muti
ani so data go si se ubi wo presa ti mienu
ba de ba ko mo do muti mo de pa se musi dua wo ba wo si dua na ye boye no ya di wobusuani bi da sisa na dia so mi film because oni ni pa na enya ne
ba de hu kra ye se friend say Nintendo o se dey
ye se ye hwase
ono obono wo chi unim obono wo chi so obono wo ni ma na wo se
na mutie
na nanu ma ta o ma se mo adwuma nye ito mo ta o ma so di o no ma so
bo dia no ko pa wo ti anto no ko he dia ba anto
yesi musuo nkan eni se wonu obi benya asem na nipa no so obeye kakra obodua no de ne beye ta akira any 3 days wo fu be se titi obodua no de ne beye ta akira kakra bia any 3 days so bo so
abo enya adwuma mu se dua bi wo so oba
se wo hunu ba na asaso beku
sa eni se dua bo so ehu
na yesi da form experience wo mo it once na abebo no okopa obi a onim dua bo no akira tutorials nti ka mimi se nenka mati school amedi me kira manfo se ni isi bodua ku nipa neka baba be bia na nesu man kwa hine kura spokesperson so te bia ka so kwa hine himfie astan ade bia nenka meto na mo frem radio for
means of employment
nesu man kwa hine ma madwuma ye na me kirekirem
ya kwa yi bi abona nyumra ye nyawo se bi abona no pa ye bona
emona wia so utibi bonu kra nyumre be 12 na nkra de ne any 1 hour the suo mo ko dia ade enche una je se wo sin so why ampa ye radio dio
but mpanimfo ne mo ama lawyer for ne nyadwuma ne ntem because hey
but enye
obi a obodua bia ye ahomtie is not getting the justice
yes
no grade our panel the senior dan
yes ebi wo ha oni kamafo bia sa ye kato no so ebia ne bibi ye can dey me be phone line so
man for so
man be ka say na ye dey adane nkwase ya keke eche okay mpacho obetima frɛ line
am for about
one say oh nti edem hello good morning hello
hey dia boss on come number move it
piki edem ana went man nyina so amamfo ni gidua no na wo ye de asema to obi so nipa no che say onikamafo bia ase cheso yiri wanu ba bia so
ye
ɛna ase yafa no so sɛ so woka sɛ wobɛbodua so na kyesa sɛ woyɛ no kwafo
sɛ wo de san
kyere mu hwe yakwa no so wobɛbodua ɛne akwa no dabi ɛne mum yɛ hwe ye but wonya ka wanu tumu ne kyɛ sɛ akwa wafa oboa ntino wa di no to no wafa na okay 0551931931 and 0548931931 say me ke bia change 0541931931 and 0548931931 obetimi afre nipa be tu kraye for mutumu a na yesi asori ama sports team no ababe som atwa so duabo no enei eye se bebi ayaba beduru a ase nokre ya asakru yimu ka yemie branch so nka na esuma kwa hene kra betima bie branch ewo eye hwa ha na nka me da no
bie branch bia bie bi kra wo northern region because say Ghana obi at region bia bodua nti nya fe no free northern region eba south ho na ma hwe ne ma sesi na say
eba sa so ebie ebe ma kwan so omo ton snap no so no omo business akoso asante kosu say obi awie jiri kwai
amafo be
hase so hu portrait sem no ye be kwa go asante nkokọ no ni yan wo mu
obi kura send message kura wo diabo say e wo baburu diabo baburu
ana say
Proverbs 10:10 wo say
hwe ye no amodia
eni akwa ho sekro nche ni wura no
amodia mo
enti ase baburu
kura ye ho
ase baburu kura say wo say hwe no we ni hu
enti baburu kura maduabo fa
ono obo kokko owo say hwe na we ni ankra no ho nsekura nche ni wura
ne
so budi hu sekura nche ni wura na say ni wura ni yinadia obodua baburu
ndire se duabo nya bone
enu ndi isi asofo na ebe kire o asofo nso makasa asofo na makasa enye se wo so obodua na
ene so na bra ya wa mai
o de e fan do next week
professor ka o so wane bitima ya no
mire me kotu baburu nu masem se
asante du abode wonya asore pani
da bi o min class me se
asante o ma akoko mo presa na wi nyame amai
o ya im Judas me se baburu no waka ne se obokoko wo se hwe ne wa ni akwa won sekuru anche ni wura no wa modua no wa ni fo
enti du aboye
enti dem se mire me quotation am
that's how ka bible o se Proverbs say
30 verse 10
esa so 10:30
ba jwende
hey tu show 10:30
Proverbs 30:10 was see hwe na we
ni akwa we ni 30:10 so dey o dare ne se dey kura ebo weekend 10:30 and 30:10
and you budi akwa nse kro cheni wura